Welcome to Rosemobile Goat Farm. We are farming out of Rabani, and Rabani is 15 kilometers away from the city. Well, today is vaccination time. We are going to be vaccinating against lamb dysentery, pasteurellosis, puppy kidney, Clostridioides metritis, black quarter, black gut infections caused by Clostridioides. In our kits, we always use Multivax P+. It is the best vaccination. So, come with me. I have also forgot that we are going to be also here taking our kids. At Rosemobile Goat Farm, we do it differently. We always here take our kids when they are 1 month old. So some of them are 1 month old, and the right ear take applicator, it is the lifesaver. And I'll show you how to also ear take as well as drench with Ovi Min.
Wait.
So guys, we are going to be here taking this one. Is it a boy, Temba? It's a boy. So our boys, we always here take them on the right, and then the females on the left. So it's very important that you ear take with the right applicator. This is a male and and then a female. So make sure that they go along. Okay, this is a boy again on the right take. So when you ear take your animals, there are veins. There are 3 veins that you are supposed to avoid. This is the number 1 vein, and then 2, and then the 3rd one is here. So always make sure you ear take in the middle so that you don't hurt the blood flow into the animal ears. So we always use expel spray to make sure that there are no infections here. One spraying is good, and then that's fine. At the same time, we are going to be injecting our animals with 2 ml of Multivax P+. This is for all the diseases that we have mentioned, and it's supposed to always be in a cooler box. That's why you didn't see it, guys. And then we are going to be removing all the air. That's good. We are going to also make sure that our automatic syringe is at 2. So here it is at 2. So your vaccination, all of them, you can either put them intravenously, subcutaneously, or intramuscular. So all this Multivax, it's important to read all the pamphlet that comes with the box. It is subcutaneously. Subcutaneously means it's under the skin. It's not on the meat. So all your antibiotics, all of them are intramuscular. So when you put them into the meat. So we're going to inject it with 2 ml under the skin. It's not a painful vaccination. Here we go. Number 1 thing you need to do, pull the skin, the loose skin. So once you pull the loose skin, you put the injection. In most cases, you are supposed to do it here, but I love to do it on the neck. Don't do it in the hindquarters like in other countries where I see they are damaging the most quality meat of injecting needles into the quality meat of the rump there. So let's pull up the skin and we are done. We have to massage it now so that we kill a lump, should there be a lump there. So this is the twin to the previous young boy that we have just vaccinated. So we are going to be vaccinating with 2 ml. There we go, we pull the skin. That's it. And then we are going to be now putting the ear tag. This one will be number 100. Where is 100, sir? This is number 100. And also don't forget the veins. You are supposed to take care of the veins. When you ear tag your kids, don't ear tag at the far end, because these animals have a tendency of putting their head on the fence, and once they do, the ear tag can come off and then they can cut the ear of an animal. So always try and put it where it is hard to come out.
Wait.
Sharp.
That's fine.
Yeah. Did we vaccinate against it? Okay, good. Get that one.
Which one?
This one.
Which one? The big one?
Yeah, the big one. Come here. Let's vaccinate 2 ml. The last thing that we are going to be doing with kids today is to administer or drench with Ovi Min. And each and every kid that we have drenched, we spray with a blue spray paint so that we can recognize it. This is an automatic gun, automatic drench, so we set it to 5 ml. We use this lever here. And then we are going to be putting this guy inside here. Before that, we shake.
Wait.
There you go. There you go. Sharp.
Go.
Market? Paint.
Paint. Yeah. And then we paint it. We have blue on the middle of the goat. So next one. Paint. Yeah, you know. Next one. Sharp. Paint. Perfect. The paint is only, it doesn't control anything. It's only that we know that we have indeed dosed it or given it Ovi Min. Yeah. Sharp. Paint. Sharp. So these are some of the management of kids that we always do, and every week, every 2 weeks, we always drench with Ovi Min or ElectroGuard. So, you know, it proves that our management plan when it comes to kids always helps. They are making noise. I'm sure they are seeing the mothers arriving to drink some water. so that's why they're making a little bit of noise. But in order for you to be profitable in goat farming, you always need to take care of the kids. Should you take care of the kids, they'll take care of your farm. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for tuning in. We are family for a reason. I call you family for a reason. Let's grow bigger and better together. I want to see us reaching 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Please comment, share, and like our videos. Ciao, ciao. Until we meet again.